Brahmi-Amla Hair Oil. Great blend for hair loss and conditioning. Brahmi, also known as Gotu Kola, combined with Ayurvedic Amla makes a unique bodybuilding formula for your hair. With this combination, the Amla ingredients act to condition and nourish the hair while Brahmi helps to strengthen and add body to the hair, all in a blend of natural sesame seed oil. Ingredients: sesame seed oil, Bilwa, Brahmi, Amla, Ashwagandha, Kanta, Kari, Gokshura, Bala, Neem, Purnarnava, Atibala, Agnimantha, Prasarani, Patal, Twak, Shatawari, Mishreya, Jatamansi, Turmeric, Daruharidra, Shailja, Sandalwood, Pushkarmool, Manjistha, Yasti, Madhu, Tagar, Musta, Tejpatra, Bringraj, Jivik, Vacha, Kama Duda, essential oils for fragrance. Top reviews from the United States. Best oil for your hair, scalp. Excellent oil. The results are seeing the first time it is used. Your hair will shine, feel alive, and Brahmi is an excellent herb for your brain. 100% combination, and that works.